it's Lauren again with the Grandfather Mountain Stewardship Foundation. Since you all can't be up here on Grandfather Mountain exploring with us, we are going to give you all some challenges of things that you can find in your own neighborhood. We're going to give you 3 things to take pictures of and post in the comments below.
Find a plant that's not green.
Lichen on a tree.
Because we're at a higher elevation, we don't really have any flowers blooming out yet for spring, but I bet you can find one at a lower elevation at your house.